Hey fishing fanatics, welcome back to Best Tendency. If you're serious about landing more fish, especially those prize bass, then you know having the right fishing lures is essential. Today, we're diving deep into the tackle box of Trussend, a brand making waves in the fishing world, especially for their bass fishing lures. We'll be taking a look at 5 of their best and most popular offerings to see if they live up to the hype. From seasoned anglers to weekend warriors, we all want top fishing lures that deliver results. So, let's get started and explore the world of Trussend. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Our first contender is the Trussend Swimax featuring an 8-segment body. Right out of the box, this lure impresses with its lifelike design. Trussend has focused on detail, incorporating 3D realistic-looking eyes and a pearl powder coating that gives it an incredible shimmer, mimicking a natural baitfish. The 8 segments provide exceptional flexibility, creating an enticing swimming action ideal for various retrieve speeds. It also features a built-in rattle to attract fish. Versatile for both freshwater and saltwater, it targets species like bass, trout, crappie, walleye, pike, bluegill, and salmon. The durable fiber fabric joints ensure longevity. However, some anglers have noted slight inconsistencies in the swim action. Next is the Trussend Swimax with a 6-segment body, sharing a similar design with its 8-segment counterpart. This lure also boasts high simulation with 3D eyes and a pearl powder finish. The 6-segment multi-jointed body still offers a lifelike swimming action. A key feature here is the ultra-sharp treble hooks with excellent rust and corrosion resistance for secure hook sets. Like the 8-segment model, it has a built-in rattle and is designed for various species in both saltwater and freshwater, including bass, crappie, walleye, pike, muskie, trout, perch, snook, and salmon. This offers great versatility. Some users have found it sinks quickly, which might not suit all fishing styles, and hook durability received mixed feedback. Next, we have the Trussend Easy Catch pre-rigged soft lures. If you're a fan of soft baits, these are worth a look. Featuring a 3D paddle tail, these soft swim baits create significant turbulence and a very enticing kicking action that bass find irresistible. The weedless design with a top hook is a game changer for fishing in areas with heavy cover, preventing frustrating snags. These lures are designed for long casting and a slow, fluttering presentation, mimicking injured baitfish perfectly. Constructed with quality materials from Japan and equipped with an ultra-sharp hook, they're effective for bass, trout, crappie, and walleye. However, some users have reported concerns about their overall durability, with the soft plastic potentially tearing after multiple catches. For those adrenaline-pumping topwater strikes, the Trussend Papob Pllopper is a fantastic option. This topwater lure features a unique double-blade rotating tail that creates a significant commotion on the water's surface, generating noise and splash that drives bass wild. The added weight in the belly ensures good casting distance, and the lure's handmade finish with 3D holographic eyes makes it incredibly realistic. Built with durable ABS material and sharp treble hooks, this bass topwater lure is effective for various predators. While lauded for its action and fish-attracting capabilities, some users have mentioned potential durability issues with this lure as well. Finally, we have the Trussend Swimming or Jigging Fishing Spinners, featuring a 2-way spinning spoon system. This blade bait stands out with its dual, counter-rotating blades, creating maximum flash and vibration to attract fish in various water conditions. The tangle-free design and aerodynamic shape ensure good casting performance. Versatile for both swimming and jigging techniques, these spinners are effective for bass, trout, crappie, walleye, and pike. While many praise its effectiveness and unique action, some users have found the size to be smaller than expected, and there have been mixed reviews regarding the durability of the treble hooks. In conclusion, Trussend offers a diverse and compelling range of fishing lures that cater to various styles of angling, with a strong emphasis on bass fishing. Their commitment to lifelike designs and innovative features is evident across their product line, making them a brand worth considering for your next fishing adventure. Remember to check the links in the description below for more information and to purchase these lures. Now it's your turn. Have you used Trussend lures? Share your experiences in the comments below. Tight lines, everyone.